Here's how to upload a video and share it step by step in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. With Google Drive, you can upload videos, store them online, and share a link with anyone. Open a web browser and go to google.com/drive. Make sure you're signed in to your Google account. Click New in the top left. Select File Upload, find your video on your device, and select it. You can also drag and drop the video directly into Google Drive. You'll see the upload progress in the bottom right. Wait until it's complete. Once uploaded, locate your video in your drive. Right-click on the video and select Share, then click Share again. By default, access is restricted. Click it and choose Anyone with the link. This allows others to open the video. Set permission to viewer, so people can only watch and download the video. Avoid editor unless you trust them. Click Copy Link and send it to anyone you want to share the video with. When they open the link, they can preview the video and download it if allowed. Anyone with editor access can delete or change files. Use Viewer for safety. For large videos, Google Drive is more reliable than email attachments. And that's it. That's how to upload a video to Google Drive and share a link in 2026. Subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.